Well, hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have a video for you guys. I know I look crazy. I have my eyes and my eyebrows are done. So we are doing a foundation first impressions today, and it is the Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Foundation in the shade F1. And I hope to update you guys throughout the day how it wears. It is like 9:40 in the morning. So I'm going to start with pressing out. I have squeezy tubes. This packaging is really nice. The squeezy feels super soft and easy, but with squeezy tubes, it's kind of hard to know how much to actually squeeze out. So I'm going to start with that. This is just shade F1. So this is supposed to be full coverage foundation. So yeah, it says it's vegan as well for anybody who's looking for a vegan foundation. The light is going to change in and out, guys. I like to use natural light as much as absolutely possible. I try with everything pretty much to use natural light because I feel it's just better. So the color looks pretty good. I think this F1 color is going to suit me perfectly. So I'm just going to put some dollops everywhere on my face, and I'm gonna only just use the blank canvas F20 brush because I keep trying to use sponges with foundations, and if it works with a sponge that's cool, but I don't care to use a sponge, so I really need to know if it's gonna work without one. So I put two little dollops on this side of my face. Oh, I got like a mosquito bite or something in my ear. That hurts. Okay. Sorry, sidetracked. And I'm also going to use their Conceal and Define concealer with this, you guys, because I want to see if it goes with it, because it is like an awesome concealer. If you haven't tried their Conceal and Define concealer, go ahead and try that because it is really, really nice. They do have, the Pro line does have a new concealer, but I've heard it's a little bit too thick and I really cannot do thick concealers. Sorry, I just have to be careful around my brows because they're already done. I can't do thick concealers, guys, so I didn't pick up that concealer just because any thickness under my eyes. Oh, I feel like the camera's making me look a little whiter than I am in person. It always seems to do that when I first put a foundation on. I don't know. But it is applying really, really good, and I hardly, you saw how much I literally put on. With more mature skin, I think you have to be careful with full coverage foundations that you only, oh, if I can get that into my ear, that you only use what you, like very little, and just build that way, because, if you put too much on, you're gonna look cakey, I think. I believe you could build this up, but I feel like it would kind of maybe go a little bit cakey, so just bear that in mind. My eye makeup is already done. How's it looking, guys? I'm just gonna grab the mirror I'm looking into for a second. Now, if you were up close, it definitely looks like I have foundation on, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad, you guys. I'm loving this. Loving, loving, loving. I might have to change the light and show you guys. My bags under my eyes are really, really, really prominent right now because they need to be concealed. So that's the foundation on. That was like hardly anything, like I showed you guys. It was literally a drop. I'm just gonna actually just take whatever's left on here and just drag it down my neck just a little bit. I don't think it's gonna really matter because I feel like this matches like perfect for my skin. I have very like neutral skin. I'm not yellow or pink, really not pink. I would lean towards more yellow, more, look at my eye glitter, so cute. I would lean towards more neutral or yellow foundations. I hate pink on me. It just does not go at all. Okay, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of this concealer on because It is hecka pigmented. You really don't, you don't need a whole lot, guys. I kind of put it on my nose as well. And then I just take the foundation brush and I just blend it in. And then it is blending really nice with this foundation. This concealer is blending amazing with this foundation, guys. I am really, really impressed. It's just kind of gliding on really nice. Just bring a little bit up there. I am having a little bit of a problem right here on my bridge of my nose, and I'm not sure what that's about. Don't know if I nicked it with my finger or what, but it did take a little bit of the coverage off. So I'm just gonna apply just a little bit of concealer there because I don't know what's going on there. But yeah, the concealer went on amazing. Like I thought it would, because it is an amazing concealer. It's kind of what it's looking like on my skin. It is covered quite well. Would I say it's full coverage? I would say it's close to a full coverage, and I didn't build it up because I think it would get a little too cakey on my skin, as I have textured skin kind of a little bit because I'm older. But that little bit of a squeeze definitely covered my whole face, and it looks quite nice. I'm really hoping it doesn't sit into fine lines as the day goes on, but we will see. So that is that. I'm gonna go put my everything on, fix this lighting problem because the sun's just like in, out, in, out. And I will come back and show you guys after it sits on my face for a little bit. I'll put contour on, blush, highlighter, all the jazz, and I'll come back to tell you guys what I think. Hello, so I am back. This is what it's looking like. The sun is going in and out today, guys. Sorry about that. So that is the Revolution Pro Full Coverage Camouflage Foundation. I've had it on for a good, let's see, half an hour. It's just 10 o'clock and I am loving it, you guys. The coverage, oh look, there's the sun. So this is what it's looking like. The weather. The sun just doesn't want to go out. So that is the F1 and I am pretty pale, as you can see. I gotta go and do my hair now. And yeah, that's what it's looking like, guys. After half an hour, it's kind of melted more into the skin. I have blush on, I have a highlighter on, a new highlighter to me. If you want to know what it is, it's by Miss Sporty, and I will have a video up on it, swatching it and showing you guys everything about it. Probably after this video, before this video, I'm not quite sure. If it's before, I'll try to link a little clip above my head. Yeah, that's it. That is the foundation checkup so far. Hello! So, it's 4:30, so 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30. It's been 7 hours since I've had this foundation on. It'll probably be the last time I check in because around this time, a lot of times I will take my makeup off. Like if I put my makeup on really early in the morning, like 9:30, I usually am taking my makeup off around 5 o'clock, 5:30, because I like my skin to breathe and I don't like to leave it on too much. I find it's just better for my skin. If I'm home, usually after about 7-8 hours, I like to take a foundation off. So say if I had a job from like 9 to 5, I would be taking my makeup off if I got home. So that's kind of how I'm judging this at the moment. There may be days where I need more longevity, but I'm just going to test it for this amount of time today. On the camera, I feel it's looking good. I haven't even looked at it, guys, really close. I have not. Okay. I'm gonna say one thing. I didn't like how it was sitting above my lip, but it looks a little bit better now than it did in the morning. Oh my gosh, it looked like it was gonna separate on my lip, so I did just put a little bit of powder on and like pat with just my fingers to get the little excess off. I think I put too much on my lip. It is a full coverage foundation. So you do kind of want to go light-handed, I feel, with this. Cheeks area, this area, which I usually never have problems with. It looks great. The highlight, still the bomb. Under my eyes has definitely creased a little. I get that a lot with concealers. Even with the Makeup Revolution one, I get that a good bit. I just need to powder a little more, probably. There is very tiny little bit of separation in the crease, very little, to the point where I don't even think you're gonna see it. But I do get problems around that area usually. Doesn't look, oh my gosh, like I just put it on, but it does look really good. Forehead is looking really nice, guys. I'm liking how it looks. I'm impressed. I'd still go out with my face looking like this because it still looks really good. I am loving my eye makeup today, and I think I forgot to take a picture of it today. Yeah, I probably did. That's annoying. I might just kind of powder up, take a picture of my face today because it still looks da bomb. Just do a little bit of powdering, but I am done for the testing of this foundation today, and I was a little worried because it was kind of weird, doing something weird on my lip. But just after a little more powder, because I don't know if I even set the powder there. I definitely feel like I had to set this on my face. I didn't even put that much powder on. I probably put a little bit more powder on next time. I barely put any powder on. I put a tiny bit of the lace under my eyes and just a little bit down my face and a tiny bit on my forehead, but I definitely feel like I need to powder this foundation more next time because once I powdered it, it sat a lot better. I like the finish of this foundation and everything like that. So that's the review, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this was helpful. This is just my first impression. I will be wearing this for a good while, and I will have a final conclusion on these two foundations. So I've tried the Revolution foundation. This is the foundation stick in F1. And I've tried the Revolution Pro. I want to get the drops one now and try that one as well, and tell you guys what I think. The colors for both of these in F1 are perfect for me, as I am a neutral but lean a little yellow but mostly neutral skin type, and it doesn't oxidize too much at all. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you will be notified and see my videos in your subscription feed. I feel like a lot of people aren't seeing my videos. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Until next time, guys, take care.